Hola fashion doll lovers, my name is Christopher y bienvenidos to my channel. In today's video, I will be finally reacting, reviewing, and restyling Renaissance Variation Binna Park. Isn't it modern Renaissance? Let's move on, shall we? Because I have her right here in the shipper box and I can confirm that it is modern. So please disregard my lack of awareness that's happening right now. Miss Binna has actually been here waiting for a very, she's been waiting, okay? Life has been happening. The W Club enrollment happened. We had to shift some things around. So I appreciate her patience and I appreciate yours, because I'm sure you had a feeling that I had her and you were just kind of like, where is this video? It's here. Today's the day. Let's get it happen. So let me stop talking and finally take her out of the shipper box. And I'm going to try to not talk when I take off the tissue paper, because I realized in my other videos that this is very loud. So, I'm gonna go ahead and throw the box on the side, as I normally do. And would you say it's kind of like an ASMR thing if I just like don't talk and take the tissue paper off? It's pretty loud. Let's see. You tell me. How was that? Was that something? Was it not? Okay. I'm like literally holding the box upside down. So, here is the last doll from the curated event that happened literally almost a year ago when you think about it. It was, okay, maybe not a year ago. It was July of 2023, but you know, sometime. So, Miss Binna has been waiting. I actually really loved this box, so here it is again. I believe she has the same layout as the original one, so no surprises there, as I have already reviewed her in my channel. I will go ahead and link that video up here. Doing my little workout for the day, you know, because these boxes be doing it to me sometimes. Okay. Take a deep breath, be present. Flip the lid. Have a little sensory moment. Ooh, ooh. Well, it's been a long time since I've touched this dress. It feels so nice and silky. Okay, I think I'm ready. Am I? Yeah. Oh, hi. You know what's funny? The things that happen when you close your eyes. I visually remembered that this insert was here, but as I was touching the dress, I kind of forgot that it was there. Isn't that something? One of the like prettiest presentations ever, honestly speaking. And I've yet to use this frame for anything. Creativity. It comes to you, but then like the actual energy to get it done disappears. I'm gonna do something with it. I promise I am. Girl, these lashes from this angle are popping. You're stunning. Ooh. I'm so excited about this. I really am. Now, for those that might be new here, remember I don't have a viewfinder, so I hope you're getting a good shot of her there. And if not, don't worry. You're gonna be seeing her very soon. So, I like to take my girls out of the box off camera. We'll come back, we'll take a look at her as she was intended. Then we'll review every item that she came with one by one. And finally, the restyle. Now, because she's wearing an evening gown, I have a little surprise in this video as to what might inspire our restyle look. So, stay tuned. As standard with Integrity Toys, we have a certificate of authenticity and a doll stand. As you see, this one has the curated logo, as this doll was a part of the curated event. However, she was released later. Miss Park comes with one set of posing hands in a nail color that matches her lips. The second set of hands have the same nail color with a different pose. I always forget the name of these hands, but they do have a name. I just always forget it. For the third and final set of hands, we have the fabulous manicure that's inspired, I believe, by the Schiaparelli clothing brand. I hope I said that right. And if I'm not mistaken, these are a variation of the original, meaning I think the original had silver nails and a gold dip, while this has a silver dip and gold nail polish. So, yeah. The jewelry on this doll was very simple. We have this kind of like net ribbon piece, I would call it, which is complemented by these two cuffs. I'm gonna call them cuffs. They're a little longer than a bracelet, with the same kind of ribbon motif. And now all of these items were in the original doll, but in gold. Here we see them in silver. For earrings, we have something very simple and very modern. Now, this is a design that Integrity used quite often, I would say. And once again, these were the same earrings that the original doll had in gold. Now, the last item for the jewelry, I would call it, we have this dropped pearl with a flower motif, and it is literally a pin. It is curved, and it literally sits in the middle of the dress on top. You probably saw it while the doll was spinning. I personally like when they have their pins with a magnet in the back. I'm not 100% sure where this idea came from, but that's how this one lays down. For the heels, we see the tassel design returning. Now, for this variation, we have a silver toe. We still have the same kind of like knot ribbon detail over the silver toe and the tassel detail as well. Everything that was gold before is now silver. And I really love when the heel is kind of like something unexpected. So I remember seeing these at the event and thinking, what is that? And when I finally got to see it up close, thought it was just absolutely genius. So glad to see these in a different color because they're very pretty. Something else that Integrity Toys is kind of known for is whenever their girls have like an evening gown or just like a cocktail dress, the girls will come with a pair of underwear. So here are the ones that Miss Park came with. It's like this black lace with a nude sheer underneath, I would call it. And for our grand finale with all the items that Miss Park comes with, we have the gown. This gown is just spectacular. I remember seeing it in the event and just thinking, must have. I love this like cone shape on the top. I love the way that the ribbons are coming out over here in the back. I love this detail of like this dip and the pleats. It's just absolutely stunning. I'm also a sucker for something that has like a really long train, and this one is massive. And I like the fact that although the shape is really simple, kind of a trumpet, there is a little bit of a train on the black dress as well. Now, I wanted to share while we were here, when there was talks of a variation of this doll, I made a comment about thinking that the variation would look something like this. Now, this is an edit made by someone on Instagram. I decided to keep their handle because I knew I would forget, and I definitely want to give credit where credit is due. They created this photo after something I said in a video, and I really thought when they were talking about variation, I would just see the opposite. So if whatever was black would be white, whatever was gold would be silver, and then whatever the blue was would be whatever color it was. So I was really shocked, actually, to see that it was still black here. Because I felt like it wasn't a full variation, but either way, I still love it. In the back of my mind, now that I say that, I'm like, it's kind of nice that they're both black. I can still make them bridesmaids dresses with like hints of different colors. I'm always obsessed with a wedding, and I've yet to actually do one for my doll. So let's see if I finally get inspired. But wait! I did mention I had a surprise. Due to Miss Parks having such limited items to restyle and already coming in such a fabulous evening gown that someone else will be modeling in this video, I decided to go ahead and purchase one more mini fashions capsule and let that be our inspiration for her restyle. And for those that might not know what a mini fashion brand capsule looks like. Here it is. This is the capsules from series 3, which has 80 iconic minis to collect, including shoes. That is the best part of this capsule right over here. So let me go ahead and unwrap it off camera and come back and let's see what I got together, shall we? I've gone ahead and removed the 2 layers of paper, and let's go see what is in here. For those that might have never seen one, we have a collector's guide right over here, and then we have 2 separate bags. Which bag do I want to go with first? Something's telling me to go with this one first, so let me go ahead and do that. Let's see what we have over here. Oh, ooh, nice red shades. Yes, and oh, yes, red boots. Oh my God. Okay, I'm really excited because I have a pair of red boots that kind of died on me, and these are fabulous. So excited to see what bag goes with the shoes. Sorry for the shake if it bothered anyone. Ooh, we also get a red lipstick here. Look at that falling out, me not even noticing. Did you catch that while I fell? Because I surely did not. All right. Oh, okay, that put me in a really good vibe. Now let's see what's in. Well, let's just see what I got for the bag. How cute is this? It feels like a classic. Sorry, that was so off camera, but this is fabulous. Like, I don't even think I've seen this one before. Oh, yes, to the chain being longer. Which means I could do double the design. Oh, we can do a crossbody, or we can do like on the elbow. I'm a big lover of a girl who holds her bag on her elbow. Don't know. We can open it as so right here. It's like a magnet. I felt that. Just magnet there. Some tissue paper. I'm so happy. I can already envision what I'm doing, but I'm gonna keep it casual. We're gonna let these be the star of the look. But I got a few ideas.